Nakakaya rito. Puro babae nag-aaral dito eh.
Sige, akong bahala sa'yo. Wala kang bilib sa akin.
Totoo?
Sumunod ka na sa akin, akong bahala sa'yo.
Ayun pala sila eh.
Hi!
Hi! What are you doing here?
Dito pala kayo nag-aaral.
Oh, yes, we study here.
Yeah.
Napadaan kasi kami dyan eh. Akala ko
Oh, so I see. Oh, I'm sorry, but I don't think it's prim and proper for us to be talking to you guys because you two are total strangers.
Ah! Ano sabi?
Sabi niya,
Ah.
hindi ka raw namin pwedeng kausapin kasi hindi ka naman namin kilala, di ba?
Ay, oo nga pala. Sorry, I'm Mariano Batubalani.
Mariano Batubalani.
Alias Nanoy.
Nanoy.
And I'm the one and only Jojo Gatbunton.
Yeah.
Jojo Gatbunton. Well, I'm Angela, and you can call me Marcy.
Spokening dollars?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, where's your mommy?
Of course.
Your mommy.
Oh, she's not our mother. She's our guardian, our tita.
Ah, tita nyo, yung mukhang balyena.
Ano? What did
Yung
you
mga
say?
balyena. Aray ko na.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Let's invite them to our party. Yeah. Okay, because it's gonna be our birthday on Saturday and we'd like to invite the both of you.
Sabay?
Yes.
Pare, sabay.
Is
course.
this free food and everything?
Yes, free food, free everything.
Naku, patay tayo, pare.
Here she comes.
Look out, Tita, with the boys. Don't the boys, oh.
May I know the meaning of this? Two young ladies talking to two total strangers?
Tita, they're not strangers. Kilala naman namin sila eh. This
I
is
don't
Nanoy.
need an explanation. I want you in the car right now. Come on.
Tita.
I said now.
You heard her,
Come on.
you heard her. In the car.
Mm.
Come on. You go
Tita,
ahead.
daw ako.
And you follow.
Mm.
Come on. Go.
Tara.
Excuse me.
Baka.
Basta si...
Uy, si Wuli Buli oh, si Wuli Buli.
Quiet, 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 quiet. From now on, I'm no longer your classmate. Yes. I'm your teacher. Quiet! 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 You want me to give you a lifetime guaranteed suspension? No, sir. Okay, that's better. Now, class, our lesson for today is about our Mother Earth. This is the world, and we are the children. Now, if the world is our Mother Earth, let's respect her and love her with devotion. But what we're doing, we distract and sabotage her by polluting the air like the air in the Smoky Mountain. We massacre and salvage her. The forests and rivers are like criminals by throwing garbage and deadly chemicals to pollute our water. You know, children, the trees absorb the pollution and carbon dioxide and filter it into oxygen and fresh air that we breathe. The roots of the trees absorb the water to prevent flood. And it releases the water to flow into streams and rivers that we need during our summer vacation. Children, ang tanging kasagutan. Magtanim tayo ng maraming punong kahoy. Linisin natin ang ating kapaligiran. Let's protect our forests, the rivers, the ocean, the trees, so that our Mother Earth will be eternally be happy, so clean and so bright.
Buli-buli.
Hmm.
Galing mo, ah.
Hmm.
Pero matanong kita, ah. Saan mo ba nakuha yung katalinuhan mo?
Well, nasa togang to ang
Hmm?
taglay kong karunungan.
Yan.
Today, we're very honored.
Magkano mo ikaw mo pinagbibili ang alahas mo?
Ang huling tawad ho 20 mil.
Kung sakasakali bang bilhin ko yung kwintas mo, yung hikaw mo at sinsing mo, makakasapat ba yan para tubusin mo ang nakasanla mong ari-arian?
Kulang pa nga ho eh.
Bueno, para matapos na lang ang problema mo, ako na ang bibili ng alahas mo. Babayaran ko ng 25 mil.
25 mil? Pumayag ka na, hindi namin kaya yun.
Sige.
Bilang alagad ng batas, ako na mag-escort sa inyo. Mahirap na, baka manakawan kayo uli.
Hindi na halata ng babae na fake yung alahas.
Napaka...
So anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Yan ang pinakamagandang parte.
Ano ba? Partiyan na!
Partihan?
Partiyan. Magkano? 25 mil.
Oo.
Divided by 5. Bale, tigpo 4,000. Opo.
Ano nangyari sa 1,000? Hindi tama yan.
Eh di tama natin.
Tama.
Tigli 5,000. Talaga, magulang. Ladies first. For you?
For me? Pakiabot. Hop. Oho.
For you. For you?
Hop.
Sa akin sa ilalim. Meron ako ibabalita sa inyo. Natugatan tayo ng isang matinding mandurugat.
Boss, tunaw yung cheat nyo.
Ah.